It came from space, streaked across the sky at 30,000 miles per hour, and then, boom, exploded over Georgia in broad daylight. NASA has just confirmed a massive fireball, 3 feet wide and weighing over 2,000 pounds, lit up the southeastern United States. More than 160 reports flooded in from stunned witnesses in Georgia and South Carolina, all seeing the same blazing spectacle on June 26, 2025 at exactly 12:25 p.m. This fireball entered Earth's atmosphere above Oxford, Georgia, from an altitude of 48 miles, blazing southwest at a jaw-dropping 30,000 miles per hour. It exploded 27 miles above West Forest, unleashing energy equivalent to 20 tons of TNT. That explosion sent a pressure wave to the ground. Booms were heard across the region. Quick science check. When it burns up in the sky, it's a meteor. If it survives and hits the ground, it's a meteorite. And if it's especially bright, that's what we call a fireball. NASA's satellite imagery confirms the fireball's trail, visible from space, even in broad daylight. Experts believe this rare event could be part of the Beta Taurid meteor shower, typically peaking around June 25th. We see about one daylight fireball every month globally, says meteor expert Robert Lunsford. It's so rare, most people go a lifetime without ever seeing one. In February 2024, another fireball stunned North America. But what happened over Georgia in daylight? That's a different level of rare. A cosmic visitor, caught midday, reminding us that space is always watching, and sometimes it drops in unannounced. Love skywatching? Want more cosmic events and earth-shaking discoveries? Subscribe now for a front row seat to the universe only on LG News.